Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In today's video, we are going to learn about the critical path method, also known as CPM in software engineering. Okay, first is introduction. See, the critical path method is a project management technique used to find the longest sequence of dependent activities in a project. Okay, so this longest path is called the critical path. Okay, and it tells us the minimum time required to complete the project. Okay, so if any activity on the critical path is delay, the entire project will also be delay. Okay, so why CPM is important in software engineering? See, software projects often have many tasks, and some tasks depend on the others. Like CPM also helps project managers to identify which tasks are critical. Okay, then estimate the minimum project completion time. Okay, allocate resources properly, monitor and control the progress of the project. Okay, third is key terms in CPM. See, first one is activity, a specific task like coding or testing. Okay, second is event or node, the start or end point of an activity. Third is path, a sequence of activities from the start to the end of the project. Then critical path, the longest path in the project network. It has zero slack, which means it cannot be delayed. Okay, then slack on float, extra time an activity can take without affecting the project deadline. Okay, then we can see steps to find the critical path. See, the process is very simple. First is list all activities and their dependencies, then draw network diagram, then assign time estimates for each activity, find all possible paths from start to end. Okay, then add up the time for each path. The longest path is the critical path. Okay, then we can see, let's take a simple example. See, suppose a project has this task. Okay, task A takes 3 days, task B takes 4 days and depends on A. Then task C takes 2 days and also depends on A. Then task D takes 5 days and depends on both B and C. Okay, now let's calculate path 1, A to B to D, equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 12 days. Then path 2, A to C, C to D, equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 10 days. Means the critical path is A to B, B to D, and the minimum project time is 12 days. Okay, then we can see advantages of CPM. Provides a clear project schedule, helps in the time management and resource allocation. See, advantages of CPM: it provides a clear project schedule. Okay, then helps in time management and resource allocation. Okay, then shows which tasks are critical and which are not. Okay, identifies tasks that are critical versus non-critical. Okay, Then limitations of CPM. Okay, first is it assumes activity times are fixed and accurate. Okay, then not very effective if tasks are uncertain or unpredictable. And last one is for very large projects the diagrams can become too complex. So the conclusion is, see, the critical path method is a very useful tool in a software engineering project management. Okay, it helps managers find the minimum completion time and focus on the tasks that are most important. Okay, by using CPM, software projects can be delivered on time and more efficiently. Okay, that's all for today's video on critical path method in software engineering. Thank you.